They've lied to you about what looks expensive. They've said it's about designer labels or beige on beige minimalism, or worse, looking like you have no personality but have a very rich husband, which, respect. If you have to play the game, play it. No judgment here. But the truth is, expensive is not about money. It's little styling tricks that make people double take and pause to take you in once you walk into a room. And once you see them, you can't unsee them. Today's agenda is very simple. We're going to debunk some lies and reveal the truth. Let's get into it. They said to you expensive meant expensive fabrics like silk, cashmere. I can't think of any other expensive fabric. Basically anything that makes your bank account cry. But I've seen $600 silk collapse like wet lettuce. It means nothing if there's no structure and form. Let me show you. This skirt, lifeless. Might as well have given up on life because of how flat it's looking. This skirt was convincing me to stay home and never leave the house. And to be honest, I almost listened until I gave it structure and form. I added a bit of backbone back into the skirt, and look at how that transforms it. It's no longer just a skirt. It's now a sculpture. It's architecture. It's art. Honestly, someone needs to put this in the Met. I'm just saying. But anyway, this is a sculptural test. If your outfits don't stand with you, who will? If your outfit suddenly collapses as soon as you leave the house, you will shrink with it. You will go down with it. But if your outfit holds its own ground, so will you. That's a trick. And I know what you're thinking. Matilda, I don't have a sculptural skirt in my closet. Well, lucky for you, I have the tutorial for this exact skirt linked down below in the description bar. So go ahead and click on it and make it. And before you complain, it's a no-sew project. And if you have a maxi skirt lying around, you definitely have the skirt in your closet. So no excuses. Go make it. And once you wear it and see firsthand what structure does to an outfit, you're going to start noticing the real power move: restraint. They said to you expensive meant perfect. Every hair in place, heels clicking, clacking on cobblestone without spraining an ankle, every detail immaculate. But here's the thing. Perfection is boring. Perfection is overrated. It's pretty to look at, but instantly forgettable. Real luxury is restraint, ruined on purpose. In the example of this dress, when I pair it with pearls and heels, it's very predictable, very much what you expect when you wear a gown like this. But let's strip it back. Let's take off the pearls, swap it for a very thin gold chain, and we're going to trade the kitten heels for some socks and sambas. When I look at this outfit now, to me, it shows a lot of control. It's not sloppy. It says, I could wear this to the Met Gala, but also I need to dodge a rat on the 6th train on my way home. Balance. Restraint is saying, I know the rules. Ruin is saying, I am dangerous enough to break them. And that is where you need to live. Nobody remembers perfect, but they remember the woman who ruined it all and still won. And babe, you are that woman. Once you understand restraint, you'll also understand it's not just about what you add, it's also about what you leave out. They said to you expensive meant piling it on. More jewelry, more layers, more. But the thing is, cheap style is needy like that. It over-explains. It's like sending a text message with 14 emojis added to it because you don't trust that your words will land. Let's not do that. Expensive outfits breathe. They leave space. So in the instance of our outfit, let's pull it back. Let's hold the hair back. Let's get rid of the chunky rings. Let's keep the chunky earrings, actually. And let's get rid of the layered necklaces. When I now look at the outfit, I see a pause, I see that the outfit is not noisy anymore. To me, it feels more confident because there is a pause. And there's silence in the outfit now. Silence in an outfit is so terrifying, which is exactly why it works. Expensive is not noise. Expensive is knowing when to stop talking in your outfit. And once you start styling with negative space, it is going to be so hard to go back to filling the silence. But the thing is, silence alone won't save you. What really sticks, in my opinion, is disruption. They told you expensive meant safe. Think neutrals, classics, the don't rock the boat kind of outfits. But the thing is, safe is the same as perfect. Nobody dreams about safe. Safe is forgettable. Expensive is calm, then chaotic. Take this beige outfit, for example. You've seen it all over the internet streets, looking the same kind of beige. Once we swap the bag for a red bag and ambush the look with a red lip, that one disruption, it is so addictive. Look at how much it adds to the outfit. I want you to remember this. Expensive style is not polite. It lures you in with restraint and then ruins it just enough to make you stare. That's quiet chaos. Quiet chaos is the energy of someone who looks so put together at brunch, but she might also start a revolution at the same brunch. So yeah, they lied. Expensive was never about money or labels. It's about structure, ruin, silence, chaos. And now that you know the rules, I promise you, you're going to start seeing them everywhere, which can only mean one thing. You're now in on the secret. Welcome to Fashion Wizardry.